Hello everyone, so I thought I would share with you all a sort of quick and dirty hack for if you move into a new house and you come across the old central heating system, which you're going to be replacing anyway, and you can't be arsed sort of messing about with the old programmer because it's just like a piece of crap and it doesn't really do anything but flash up stupid errors and a load of nonsense. So it basically just allows you to just run the hot water or central heating at a flick of a switch rather than trying to fix one of those. So the first thing you need to do is very carefully remove the programmer from the wall, switch off the mains electricity supply, study the wiring diagram on the back of the carefully removed controller in order to find out which connections you need to make. So it looks like in my case I need to connect live over to pin 3. So up here, live is here, and then there's pin 3. So in my case I'm just going to put a little wire join over there so that the hot water will come on whenever I flick this switch, because I'm not going to need the central heating just now. That's getting replaced at a later date, and we're obviously in the warm part of the year. Okay, so that's the connection now made. It just bridges across like there. It doesn't carry any sort of high current because it's only really powering I believe a small solenoid inside the boiler. So with the main supply now reconnected, you should just be able to flick this switch and the hot water will just simply come on whenever you want it to. There we go, so the boiler has now just switched itself on. Now that controller, which was carefully removed from the wall, does not actually contain any temperature regulation systems or anything like that. It's simply just some sort of timer, and it's just got 2 relays inside it. So that's all it's doing, is just switching on 2 connections. So as you can see, it's working well. So there's a bit of an issue, sadly. This is with getting the system that I want installed. I can't seem to get it because my central heating engineer went to many boiler manufacturers and said that I'm wanting a boiler which can accept hot water from a hot water tank attached to solar panels, a boiler which can accept hot water on its inlet. So unfortunately all the manufacturers he spoke to don't do anything like that. And apparently you can do it, but maybe only with certain boilers, and they're maybe quite rare. So the system just now, it's not particularly efficient. It's called a back boiler, and boiling hot water just moves up through there via convection and then comes back down through the coil in the tank, and it's not particularly efficient at all. My theory is one way to improve efficiency would be to have a circulation pump sort of put in this line here. So that would probably do it. But yeah, the system's really nice and simple to use, and if you wanted you could probably use a Raspberry Pi or just like 2 switches to control it. So you just need live to the sort of hot water and then live to the central heating connection just there. So it's pretty simple.